State Farm. 803 Torrance Avenue, doing a repair test today. First thing, a couple crazy things, right? A lot of debris up here, right? It's kind of hard to see the exact damage count. I'm not sure that adjuster got it, his damage count. There's a limb over there up under some of that pine straw and leaves that it's actually got a hole in the roof that wasn't taken into account for. Real quick, like, I'm not gonna drag this out. This slope was paid for, the right slope. Y'all estimated at 8 square with waste. It's actually hand measured out 10.55 square. It's 3 square bigger than what y'all were saying, almost 3.5. 60 plus nails on this side for the tarp, and there's wind up under it. There's 30 something over here. We got creased shingles everywhere scattered. No telling what's all up under that pine straw, but I have no way to get it completely off. Probably some wind driven debris where limbs smacked it. As you see, trees are down. Yeah, we're trying to get this thing paid for. Y'all are paid for 20 something square on this, or 20 shingles on this side. There's more than 20 shingles damaged just from the tarp. See one here, there's a crease down there. Drew's not repairable, but that's what we're here today to see, right? So let's get to it. All right. So to unzip this one, we gotta unzip this one, this one, this one, this one, okay? All right, let's start. Oh, too old. Thing's super stiff. Oh, stay fine. Heads up. This roof is 2 layers. Oh, heads up. The adjuster paid for 3 times on his 8 square. Didn't even pay for the right shingle. Need that corrected. And it's double layered. Guess what? Not even repairable. You know why? It's double layered. Plus, I need that extra dumpster, yo. I'm about my Skrilla. All right. So now we gotta get the nails out, right? Using your roof snake. Gotta lift the shingles up, cause I ain't Mega Mind or what's his name, hindsight. I ain't hindsight. I gotta find these nails, wherever they be hanging out.
Where they be?
Oh, loaded. Do you see what I see right there, man? Woo! Ain't even got to. It ain't even a high nail. I ain't even got to the daggone nail yet. Dang, that's crazy. As Austin was saying.
That's crazy.
Crazy. Oh, watch this. Man, I'm too old for this shit. Oh, you see that tear through? You got that? Look at that big old hole. You see that?
Yep.
Man, that's crazy. Oh, you saw that?
Oh.
Just trying to lift it up. Stay farm. I ain't hindsight. I gotta lift these shingles up a little bit, right? Let's see. I gotta lift them up a little bit. Stay farm. Why you hate for the side of the club? You can't even get in. Let go. And what you say? I love y'all, State Farm. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all might be my favorite resident company. I'm not just saying that because I'm honestly tired of the test. When they just ain't as good as they used to be.
I ain't as good as I want.
Look at that, Logan. I got that one out, brother.
Oh, good Lord.
What the hell my shit in there? Is that it? No. Hey, who's blowing my phone? Why my girl? Where you at? When you coming home today? I told you where the kids. I ain't lifting it up, State Farm. I got you. Is that it? Dude, no way. You live in the high State Farm. Right here. I just can't see it, bro. It's like a freaking, all that debris that was up under it. All that, what's it called? I just can't see the damn things. What time? Can't check it. I'm about to handle this one. It's not. This other one. I might just pay it. I'm not keeping it. shingle is that? Oh, I think I see some creases going on.
Crease.
Crease.
Okay.
Get that old corny. Get that good shingle.
Ding ding.
Is it overlapping? Logan, hand me my hammer. Hand me hammer.
Hem.
Every time
Hem.
somebody says me, yeah, I think of Popeye. Hand me hammer. That's how you do it here, Ted. Mama said that they farmed the devil. I'm hurry this thing. I don't watch my videos. I'm just tired.
If y'all would, hook me up with a nice steak dinner with Patrick Mahomes
Brother,
and Andy Reid.
Andy Reid did that burger.
You know, Andy Reid calls his plays off the Waffle House menu.
I got to play off the State Farm. 276 kilometers. 276.
What?
Hut. Paper up here. I don't love myself. I'm so happy. I'll come out here and do a 2,000 repair attempts.
You see them grains jumping so far.
That's actually a solid piece right there. Jump a lot. Whoa. I told her, just give it away.
Just throw it away. Throw it off road.
Green up there. It's double layers, like you're not gonna get the old.
We go wham ham.
Yeah, the old. Get
Whammity
down in there.
hammity.
Get in there. Yeah. See what we'll do. Man, I bet I got about 20 texts from my wife right now. My wife, she's saying feeling good today. She blowing me up.
She said, I'm tired, Grandpa.
Oh, let's see. I ain't thinking down there. Let's just put it back. Let's put the last one right here. How long is the video?
Huh?
How long is the video?
8:45 right now.
State Farm, my guy. All right. All right, you ready? You see this right here? Look, you see that right there? See a little tear there? See how it's going where the roof snake laid? Right there. Oof. All right, and let's go this way. Look, you see that right there?
Yep.
See that whiteness where it dipped my shingling? You see that? Yep. Let's see. See that right there, Logan? The roof snake. That's how brittle they are. Right? They're double layered. All right, let's see what we got here. This one over here. Let's check this out. All right. Oh, look, you see this right here? And look, that's me barely wiping it, y'all. Come on now. You see that crease? Stop playing with me. Look, I'm going to barely wipe it. And you see it, look. Oh, look, you see it right there?
Yep.
Sorry. Oh, look, you see that right there? Oh, you see that right there?
Oh yeah.
Hey. Logan.
Whoa.
Look at that. Oh my
Oh
God.
my.
That called. Failed to pay that. Failed. Failed. Alright, y'all. We're gonna get some good pictures. Listen. You can tell me this repair test passed. Whatever. Look at the tarp. How many shingles are damaging? Look at all this debris. I got pictures of the hole nobody even saw. Justin didn't see because he didn't walk up here. Come on now. Let's get this taken care of for this homeowner. Oh, they also got a shed. It's got damage on it. We'll take some pictures. All right. Double layer. Don't forget. Thank you.